Before I go over how I made $450,000 using only Snapchat ads, I'm gonna show you guys the exact strategy because it's easier than you think. First, we'll go over how I found the product, and then we'll go through and build the store. And then finally, I'll show you how I ran all the ads. Imagine a world where all the trending products were in a list and all you had to do was choose one. Now stop imagining. This tool actually exists and all your favorite dropshippers are using it. You wouldn't believe me though, right? This software is called PP Ads, and it's the reason I'm able to find all the winners I've found thus far. Here we are in PP Ads. You'll want to click the product search tab. You'll want to scroll through these products until you see something with potential that checks one of 3 of these boxes. Your product has to be trendy, unique, or a problem solver. The product is actually this snatch bodysuit, and I found it directly on PP Ads. When I first started testing this product, I downloaded the videos directly from PP Ads, and then I went into Adobe Premiere and resized the videos and cleared the metadata so that Snapchat would believe it's a brand new video ad and it would pump our results. Think about it. We don't want to use competitors' ads when we're scaling aggressively. The solution to this is finding UGC creators to make us custom content of our product. We can make brand new ads that potential customers have never seen before. Let's begin to try to source this product on AliExpress. As we can see here on AliExpress, we're able to get one bodysuit for $4 and free shipping. The only issue with sourcing on AliExpress is that the shipping times are gonna be 20 to 40 days, which is absolutely unsustainable for a brand long term, and your dropshipping store will get closed by payment processing, so it's not even worth sourcing through AliExpress. I was actually able to source this product from a direct Chinese supplier, and I'm able to get 2 bodysuits for $9 and free shipping with only 7 to 10 business day shipping. That is so sustainable, and that's how I was able to scale so hard. In order to validate that this product is actually a winner, we're going to be using the spy software called Shop Hunter. Back in February when I ran this product, I tracked a couple of people's stores, and as we can see, they were getting tons of sales. Now, I'm sure you're flooded with motivation to get started on your dropshipping store, and believe me, once you see the possibility of success with dropshipping, you're gonna never wanna go back to your 9 to 5. We've completed the product research. It's time that we go in and build the store. Creating our dropshipping store, it's important to make sure our brand looks simple and professional. This is the final product page that I decided to run for the product, and here it is on mobile so you guys can see. When creating our dropshipping store, it's so important to make sure we emphasize our product page instead of our homepage, because all of our traffic from Snapchat will be coming to our product page and not our homepage. Now let's go on the computer and I'll show you all the uncut value of how I built this product page step by step. On this product page, I decided to use this app on the Shopify app store called Gem Pages, and it allows you to create custom design. So here we are in the custom made gem page for the bodysuit. As we can see, we have 5 pictures in an image list. So you can put an image list here. This is completely custom made. So how mine is set up, I have the title, the product price, and then the compare price. I always make sure to use the custom colors. So if I'm branding it correctly, I'm using brown here, brown, 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 as you can see. Very important that we make sure the colors are very consistent. Back up at the top, we have the Luke stars. So this will show what it looks like. It'll have the stars of the reviews, the amount of reviews. And then I have 4 benefits instantly right here at the top, so the people that want to buy this will see the benefits instantly. So perfect. Now we go here, we have the wide bundle, which we're gonna set up in the next clip, and then we have an accordion, we have the size chart in inches, the size chart in centimeters, and now this is for how we can target all the countries, because most of the countries use centimeters instead of inches. Shippings and returns, and then materials. Now this is where it gets super important, so pay attention. We have a header, and then we have 2 paragraphs here, followed by a GIF. And now what I did with this GIF that's so interesting is you can see that the design is very backdropped, and there's a shadow attached. So just to do this, you go to corner, change it to 55, and then you do shadow, turn this to outer shadow. Then again, we used the simple header, 2 paragraphs, and then a GIF. And then we added something very unique that you can't do on Shopify, and it's called the before and after. And we just followed it up with real customers, real results. Now we have a before and after. This is before the bodysuit, and then this is after the bodysuit. It just allows customers to see exactly how powerful our product is for them. Now scroll down, we have 3 icons, a little paragraph describing exactly what it means. If you're wondering how I got these icons right here, what you can do is go to flaticon.com and then type in exactly what you're looking for, and it'll show you results perfect for your product page. Scroll down a bit, we have a little review that's obviously not real, but we just came up with it on the spot. We use custom colors, we use the white on brown like I said earlier. We got the 5 stars and then, just a name. Now, this is something so cool. I put meet our team here, and it's not actually my team, of course, but it's just a bunch of girls showing off the bodysuit, and this really gives a face to the name of the company. If we scroll down, we have the As Seen On badge, which is just a little extra to add in. Finally, we have frequently asked questions with 5 stars, which I think looks pretty cool. So we have the accordion again, and then we just have 3 frequently asked questions. How does the bodysuit work? Is it see-through? Is it suitable for all sizes? And then at the bottom, we have the Luke's reviews. Now let's move into how I built the offer for this product. The offer, buy one, get one free. And now let me go behind the scenes and show you exactly how I did this on this app called Wide Bundle. Click add offers, click your product, and in the heading above offer, type in buy one, get one free. An offer title, same thing, buy one, get one free. Make sure that your price ends in 0.95 or 0.99. This is a psychological trick that makes customers think that the product is on sale. For example, think about a time that you saw something you wanted to buy for $100. Now imagine if you saw that same product at $99. Now psychologically, you would think $99, wow, that's way cheaper. And that's why it works so well. Now back in Wide Bundle, click this offer has options like size or color. Name this color and then add the values of your product. So for this case, we do black and we do nude. And then number of drop downs, change this to 2. Then click add another option under the option name and name this size. Now add all your sizes, so extra small, small, medium, large, etc. All right, and then it should automatically name it color 1 and size 1, color 2 and size 2, and then click generate offers and you're done. Into the moment you've all been waiting for. I'm gonna show you guys all the sauce. I'm not gonna hold anything back. So without further ado, let's get into it. To show you exactly how I marketed my $450,000 month, I'm gonna show you guys the first 7 days in the ad account, and then I'll explain to you how I was able to scale the rest of the month. So here we are in the Snapchat Ads Manager, day 1, February 2nd. So as we can see, I have one campaign that I put up, and I named it Bodysuit Big 5 Wide Open 3 Ads. Basically, this means I targeted United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and United Kingdom. And then I put 3 ad creatives in this campaign. And so as we can see, we got 4 purchases, $11 cost per purchase. And then if we go into Shopify, I'll show you the numbers there. So as we can see, 563 in sales. This is not completely accurate because I also ran ads on TikTok, but it did not work that well. I spent $200 for $200 in sales. So realistically on Snapchat, we did 124, as we can see right here. We spent $46 to make 124 back on day 1. This is day 2, February 3rd. And in the ads manager, as you can see, we have our original campaign from day 1, Big 5 Wide Open 3 ads. For day 2, all we did was separate these into different campaigns with a different targeting of a country. So we have Australia, UK, USA, Canada, UK again. Now, as we can see, we were having insane cost per purchases here. Snapchat didn't track all of the purchases, they typically don't. You can see 150 in spend. And if we go into Shopify, we can see 543 sales. So this is pretty good for day 2. I think splitting the ads was so huge for day 2, and it gets better.
Day 3, February 4th.
And this is where it starts to ramp up fast, so pay close attention. In the ads manager, we have our old campaigns from day 1 and day 2, and then we added a new campaign just to try it out, Australia ad 4 ad 5. And this combo actually performed so well that we used it in the future days coming up. We did 546 in sales, February 4th, and in Shopify, we did 1597 in sales. This was the best day thus far, and it's about a 3 ROAS. Before we continue, I wanna talk about why trying new dropshipping techniques is so important. Think about the first time you truly left your comfort zone. Why did you decide to make a change? odds are you wanted to make a change because you were not satisfied with where you were. Now come back to ecom. If you always try the same techniques used by everybody, it'll never work, and you'll always see the same result. That's why you have to switch it up sometimes and just try new things. On the 4th day, I tried something I've never done before. So as we can see here in the ads manager, we have a new bids campaign. Now let me show you exactly how I set this up. As we can see here, we have 7 ad sets in one campaign, each with a different bid. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 15, 20. And now I set this up on all the best combinations that I had found from the previous days. As we can see from the 3 bid campaigns, these were performing very well and it allowed us to scale super aggressively. From the previous day, I looked for the best bid that performed, and then I made a brand new campaign, and let me show you exactly what I did for that. So it just so happens that $10 was the best bid from yesterday, so I put it in its own campaign, and we have 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, 10.4, and 10.5. We spent $13.65 in ads for a whopping $3,600 in sales, all in a brand new campaign, 5 ad sets total. On this day, I tried a brand new campaign where I took the bids. As we can see, we finished off day 5 with $1,800 in spend, $1,848 here, and we made back $54.21 in sales. On day 6, I decided to keep continuing because we were getting 3 ROAS continuously, no matter how high we scaled. So what I did is I took these new combinations, add 2, add 4, add 5 Australia, and then just combined it. So I did add 2, add 5, add 2, add 4, etc. And then combine that with 25% scale every single day that it was profitable. And then we start spending a lot of money. As we can see on February 7th, we spent $34.28 on ads for a take back of $9,985. Now this was our biggest day thus far, and I actually couldn't believe it. Now let's take a step back and analyze why this product was printing so hard in the first week. Number 1, our product was trending at the time, and it's actually a problem-solving product. All the females that decided to use our product probably just wanted that snatched look that the Planet Pizza membership just couldn't get you. Please. Number 2, we took the content that was used on TikTok and put it on the platform of Snapchat to a brand new audience. And finally, number 3, we branded it so well that people that wanted to buy actually seen it as a brand, so they put more trust into our business. Back on the ads manager, I just wanted to show you guys the highest revenue day that I had in the 30 days was the February 10th. And as we can see, I spent $10,824 in ads for a Shopify return of $22,240, which is just about a 2.2 ROAS. Now, around 2 weeks into the 30 days, something very interesting happened. I got very sick and I wasn't able to look at the ads or even pick up my phone. Now, I just left the ads completely untouched. I let them spend exactly how they were set up. I didn't touch anything on Snapchat at all. And what ended up happening is Snapchat stayed super consistent and I still stayed in the high 2 ROAS. Now this is huge because if you can run 3 to 5K days consistently, at the end of the year, you'll be able to exit your brand for a fat bag. Well guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys gained some sort of value from me today. And if not, I hope you learned something. Anyways, this is Josh. If you have any questions, leave a comment or just DM me on Instagram. It's @JoshHupe. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.